Hi, I'm Antoine for Frog's Barbecue. Today we're gonna do the apple pork ribs on the Pit Boss Navigator 850. We are going to prepare the baby back ribs. So start by removing the membrane. It will help the rub penetrate the meat. I will just take a knife to leave the membrane off and then use a finger to pull it. You can also use a kitchen towel if it's too slippery. I will then trim the ribs. You don't have to do it, I just like when the racks are square. You don't throw away the meat, you can keep it to make your own burgers later. Now the ribs are square, I will apply some yellow mustard as a binder. So apply yellow mustard on both sides, and then after sprinkle generously your apple rub. So now we're gonna start our barbecue. So for the apple experiment, I've got some apple pellets. So do that, open the lid, turn it on and put it on smoke. So now it should be ready in about 5 minutes. Okay, so our ribs are ready. So now it's been 1.5 hours. So we're just gonna spray our ribs with apple cider vinegar and apple juice. So I've just done a mix. It's time to wrap the ribs in foil. So I'm just gonna add some apple cider and then seal it back, making sure that it's wrapped tight and there's no bone that goes through the foil, because all your cider will go all over your grill. So we'll be putting it back in the smoker for about 1.5 hours. I forgot to tell you just before there, so you still have quite a lot of the cider. So the only way you can use it, but that's the way I use it personally. So I take a glass. Cheers everybody. So it looks like the ribs now are ready. So we're just gonna take them out. So you can clearly see that this is cooked now. The bones are sticking out. That looks really good. You can still see the rub. Up. So now it looks cooked, so let's have a look. Let's open one. Okay, so you can clearly see the smoke ring. Okay, and you can see that this is super juicy there. So yeah, so we're gonna try a bit. So I think the apple experiment is a success because you can clearly see the apple. So what we've done, we coat it with an apple rub, we cooked it with apple pellets, we sprinkled some apple cider vinegar and some apple juice, and then when it was wrapped in foil we wrapped it with some cider. So I think you can taste the apple all the way through. So this was a success. So apple pork ribs really taste apple. It's really nice sweet taste. So if you like the video, please like it. If you want to see more content, please subscribe, and if you don't want to miss the next video, please put the bell next to the subscribe button. And you can also join me on Facebook at Frogs Barbecue. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.